In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a formula across a columns in Excel. By the end, you'll be confidently copying a single formula across multiple columns while keeping your references accurate and your results consistent. Start by selecting the cell where you want the first result to appear. This should be the leftmost column in the area you plan to fill. Type your formula exactly as you need it, referencing the cells that feed into your calculation, and press Enter to confirm. Take a moment to check that the result looks correct. This quick check prevents you from repeating a mistake across many columns. Before you copy the formula, think about how your cell references should behave as you move horizontally. When you drag a formula across columns, Excel updates column letters by default, while keeping the row numbers the same. That's helpful in many cases, but if you need part of a reference to stay fixed, add $signs to lock it. Use $2 to lock the column, $2 to lock the row, and $2 to lock both. If your keyboard supports it, pressing F4 while your cursor is on a reference will cycle through these options. Adjusting references now ensures the filled formulas point exactly where you expect. With the formula confirmed, hover your mouse over the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is the fill handle. When your cursor turns into a thin black plus sign, click and hold. Drag horizontally across the columns where you want the formula applied. As you drag, Excel previews the range being selected. Release the mouse, and Excel will instantly copy the formula across the selected columns, updating references according to your relative and absolute settings. Scan a few of the newly filled cells to verify the results. If something looks off, press Undo, refine your references, and try the drag again. This quick feedback loop keeps your sheet accurate. If you notice undesired formatting being copied along with the formula, you can clear or adjust formatting after the fill, so your data remains easy to read. A couple of practical tips as you fill. Make sure the source cells your formula references are populated across the columns you're filling into, and avoid dragging over areas you don't intend to change. If you accidentally select too far, simply undo and redo with the correct range. That's all it takes. Enter a solid formula, confirm your references, then use the fill handle to drag it across the columns you need.